In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an EMA, or exponential moving average, in TradingView. For those of you who are not familiar with it, TradingView is a popular charting platform used by traders worldwide for analyzing financial markets. Understanding how to use EMAs can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your chart within TradingView. If you're not already viewing a chart, you can easily navigate to the chart section from the platform's main page. This is where all the action happens, and you'll access various tools and indicators to help you make informed decisions about your trades. It's essential to get comfortable with the layout and functions available, as they form the backbone of your analysis. Once your chart is open, the next step is to locate the Indicators function. You can do this by looking at the top toolbar of the screen. It'll be easy to spot, but if you're in a pinch, you can also get to the same menu by pressing the / key on your keyboard. Clicking this option will bring up the Indicators window, a feature-packed menu that houses a vast array of tools aimed at enhancing your chart's analytical capabilities. In the search bar that appears at the top of this Indicators window, type in Moving Average Exponential. This is the technical term for the exponential moving average. As you type, you'll see a list of options appear, which might vary depending on the community scripts available or any custom scripts you've integrated into your TradingView. However, focus on the standard Moving Average Exponential indicator and go ahead and select it. This is the built-in EMA provided by TradingView and perfectly suited for most trading needs. Now that you've selected the Moving Average Exponential from the menu, you'll notice a line has appeared on your chart. This represents your default EMA. Typically, this will be set to a 9-period EMA, which is a common choice among traders for short-term analysis. But don't worry, you can customize this setting to fit your trading strategy. If you want to adjust the periods for a medium or long-term analysis, simply click on the settings icon next to the EMA label on your chart. From there, you can input a different period number that better aligns with your trading goals. And there you have it. Your chart is now enhanced with an exponential moving average, offering you better insights into price trends and helping you identify potential entry and exit points more effectively. By integrating EMAs into your trading strategy, you can smooth out price data to identify the trend direction over a set period, which can be crucial for making informed trading decisions. This simple yet powerful tool can significantly enhance the quality of your analysis. So, go ahead and experiment with different period settings and see how they impact your trading strategy. Happy trading!